Hello friends, I hope you all are doing great. Welcome to Wisdomizer. This is Pritam Bhansali. Today I am going to give you the in-depth understanding about the different types of certifications provided by Facebook. We are going to deep dive each and every certifications provided by the Facebook. I am going to give you the in-depth understanding about what are the different certifications are there, how many questions are asked, how the exams are getting conducted, and what is the cost for those particular exams. So without making any delay, let's start. So the first certification which is provided by Facebook is Digital Marketing Associate. This is related to digital marketing. Here we should understand one important thing. Facebook is naming their certifications as Blueprint certifications and they are branding them as a Facebook Blueprint certifications. So this certificate will be titled as Facebook Blueprint Certified. So this is the important thing, and the exam code for this certification is 100-101. Second certification from Facebook Blueprint is Facebook Blueprint Certified Marketing Science Professional. This is also related to marketing, but it is the professional level, and the exam code for this is 200-101. Third certification from Facebook Blueprint is Facebook Blueprint Certified Creative Strategy Professional, and the exam code for this certification is 300-101. The fourth certification which is provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Media Planning Professional, and the exam code for this is 400-101. The fifth certification provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Media Buying Professional, and the exam code for this is 410101. The sixth certification provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Marketing Developer, and the exam code for this one is 500-101. The seventh certification provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Advanced Marketing Developer. This is advanced level certification, and the exam code for this is 510-101. The eighth certification provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Advertising API Developer. Here the exam code is 520-101 or 520-101. And the last certification provided by Facebook is Facebook Blueprint Certified Community Manager, and the exam code for this one is 600-101. So these were all the certifications provided by Facebook. So let's visit their website and try to understand one by one. So facebook.com/business/learn/certifications. This is the website for all the Facebook certifications. All these links and URLs I will be mentioning in the description of this video. Please try to visit these links after watching this video. First of all, let's understand all these certifications in depth. So here you can see all the certifications are listed. After this, we can just take any certification example, like we can just try to explore this first certification, Facebook Certified Digital Marketing Associate. If we click on this button, it will be landed on this page, and once you land on this page, here you will be able to understand all the important details related to this certification exam, like the exam duration will be 90 minutes. So this is the important detail about this exam. So if you want to register for this exam, then you can click on this link. Here you can click on this register button. So but before doing or before registering for that exam, there are some important details which we need to understand. So those details are given on this page itself. You just need to scroll down a little bit. So in this exam there will be different types of topics will be asked. So all these topics will contain different type of weightage. So on the basis of that weightage the questions will be asked in that exam. So suppose if you consider the first topic for this exam, which is nothing but the value of Facebook, it will cover the 8% of overall weightage. And the second topic is established platform presence, it will cover the 13% of weightage. So like this, all the topics they have mentioned clearly which topic carries how much weightage. So you can see here the most important topic here is create and manage ads, which is having 46% of weightage. So this is very important topic. After this, if you go to the next tab, which is exam process, in this tab you will be able to see there are so many other details which you need to understand. Actually here they have clearly written, before taking an exam ensure you are 100% clear on what's needed and how the testing process works. So this is the mandatory thing, you people should go through all the things which they have provided here, and then it is recommended that you should appear for that exam. So while you sit in the exam and you appear for that exam, you won't face any difficulties and all your questions and doubts should get cleared. I will be giving you all these links in the below description of this video, so please try and visit all these links. So this was the first certification and one certification which we have covered. So this all the certifications will have the similar process and similar kind of explanations. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and share this video. So best luck. Thanks a lot.